Okay, so we took the serpentine belt off. Of course, there's that, you know. And it appears to me that this thing will just screw out of here. This will come off. I got a feeling this is probably fitted on the inside of this casing right here. So we'll know in a few minutes here, and I'll keep you guys posted. As you break these 15mm bolts out of here, you'll notice one's a little shorter than the other one. Oddly enough, these bolts right here are going to be a 13mm here, and a 13mm here right above your tensioning. Now the tensioner also comes off as 1 unit 2 is a 15mm socket head. Underneath the tensioner, this tensioner right here, go here, there's another bolt pulls out of here. And this one's going to be quite long too. So you want to measure up with what you got here. So this one's not quite as long, so you don't get these things messed up, okay? So this one's not the longest one, it's the second longest one, right? So you got a little long one there, and the second longest one. And then down here, you get a ridiculous T30 that's got to come out of here. Of course, it's going to look like this. And then if you have all those bolts taken off, it does come apart quite simple. Maybe. But anyhow, we'll have to figure out how this thing comes out of here and simply get it out of here. Don't ask me why, but Chrysler decided to put one of these silly little bolts right here, and you have to have a special tool to get it out. Or you can use a 1/4 inch small open-ended box wrench to get it out. And it will come out like this. And it comes right out, okay? Might have to cuss at it a little bit, but that's what mechanics do. They cuss at bolts until they come out. And of course, it's going to be about a 4-inch bolt too, okay? So you just simply use this little guy right here. Thought you might appreciate the bolt pattern. Helps, I don't know. Just different angles from whatever we can give you. Okay, once you have it out, it looks like this, of course, in the inside. And just as we suspected, this thing here was pressed on the inside. Okay, now that we have this off, we got to figure out why this is making a noise, right? So we'll probably have to start it. If you'll notice here, there's little timing marks that are supposed to line up with this part right there. Timing mark there, supposed to line up with timing mark here. Okay, so that's where we're not going to take the serpentine belt off. I think we'll be okay. Now the belt, all that works is the looks like a couple of pumps here for probably a smog pump and for the electrical system here. So I think we could probably fire it over without a problem. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start this and see if we can hear something out of this. And stop it, baby. Okay, I don't hear any more sound out of it. Do you? Okay, so whatever that was, I have no clue. Okay, it's real important that you understand the configuration of the belt when you put it back, because it's real simple when you take it apart, but then when it's out of mind, you forget how the thing goes back in again. Anyhow, it goes clear across the top there, clear across the top. It goes to the alternator. It goes underneath the alternator. Then it goes to the tensioner, back down around, back over the harmonic balancer. It goes on to, I think, to a air conditioning pump, and then I think this is a smog pump. But anyhow, this is how it's going to look, so you need to know that. Now we're going to fire over the car. Yep, that's the way it's supposed to sound. I think what the problem was, something got caught down in the alternator there, and it was spinning on it, and it was radiating the sound up through here. So anyhow, it sounds like it's normal again.